Hi traders, in today's video I am going to tell you a secret ingredient to gold trading, because I see traders now, it is the hottest thing to trade, it is gold, and I see traders struggling a lot, and I just want to share one simple tip. So in this video I am going to tell you the top tips for successful gold trading related to the RSI and the Bollinger Bands indicators, because I noticed that everybody is using them in the wrong way, and with a simple trick you can increase your probability to win by a huge amount. It is human psychology that most traders think they should trade the pullback, but in reality, when you test hundreds of strategies, you realize you should do the opposite. Based on hundreds of tests, I can tell you it is infinitely better, and it increases your chances to win if you trade the continuation pattern. So if you open a trade when the certain chart is out of the range, so it is overbought or oversold. For this, I should also tell you that a good risk to reward ratio is crucial. If you don't have an at least 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, you won't be profitable with this strategy or any strategy, really. For this, I also have to mention one more thing. If you have a great diversification, so you are trading at least 5 to 10 pairs at the same time with a low correlation, you actually are reducing risk by a significant amount. So you can actually have a profitable strategy with a little bit lower risk to reward ratio, like 1 to 2, 1 to 2.5. And it is also key to have a method where the average risk to reward ratio is like 1 to 2, 1 to 3, but the largest losing trade and largest winning trade ratio is much more than that across the pairs. It is like 1 to 9. So it is actually a dynamic strategy, and therefore it can survive in difficult conditions as well. It is actually a pretty important part of this video and of this topic. If you are interested in more of these types of videos, just let me know in the comments. Ciao.